Y'all already know we got the Hellcat Yellcat out here, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Nova on Rucci's, man. He got that dope content, man.
That's what's up. Stunna Reese, the one and only.
Yes, man, out here with my man Nova on Rucci's, man, and the squad. What's going on, man? What up, baby? Good? What's going on, man?
Come to check out the your Hellcat Yellcat.
Y'all already know we got the Hellcat Yellcat out here, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Nova on Rucci's, man. He got that dope content, man.
That's what's up.
What's up, brother? You good? Oh, hell no, I'm going home. Hell no, I'm going home. Oh, I'm good.
Look at that. Good tay. Look at him. Catfish.
What up, man? What's happening, man?
All right.
What's going on? You got me working pit crew today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're trying to get it right, man, so we can get out here on the track, man.
Yes, sir.
Dunk master, give me 5 in the hit.
That's what's up.
Take off on him, man. Trying to take off on dunk master. Oh, okay. Good?
Oh, yeah.
That's right. You know we got you.
First lady of the 32 gang.
Hey.
What's up?